welcome back to Gabe's Gaming and Naah. And today we'll be baking a cake and got a little haircut. Well, can you guys see mine? We will be baking a mini cake in a mug. Did you guys see it? You don't care. I don't have to. Okay, we got a mug. Now, where's the... Okay, good. We need 3 tablespoons of Nutella. I'll do that. Not gold. Okay. 3 tablespoons. No, use one. No, 1. You need 2 spoons. Come on. For the fire. You can use the same one, just like it. Okay? We got the Nutella. Let's open this. Nothing in the cup yet. Yeah, we need, 3 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons. Where am I to be? Okay, 1. Okay, now we have added 1 tablespoon of Nutella. 1 tablespoon of Nutella. 2. What? Got it. Well, let's just do 2 because this is a lot. We're going to use the same one, the same spoon. I'll just wash it though. Sure, I'll wash it. Okay, but we're going to need clean that, okay? Clean? I'll clean it definitely. Clean it. Okay, next we need 1 egg. We got eggs. These are 1 dozen eggs. Why are they called that? They should not be called 1 dozen eggs. Like, in the comments, agree with me. Because, like, what if you actually have 1,000? What do you call it? Like, 1 dozen eggs? Okay. Like, cookies would be. Wait, I'm just kind of scared at doing this. Ooh, we have 1 try. Kinda. To do it. Yeah. Okay. Now we release. Release that baby! You pick up the shell. Oh, come on, shell. Are you serious, Gabriel? Let's pick them up. There's some under the egg. Under the... We'll use this one. Yeah, no. You washed it, right? Yes. Okay, see if there is any other shell. Okay, I don't see any. Okay, now mix until watery. Until it looks like a drink. Kind of. It looks like this so far. Let me just... Keep on mixing it, keep on mixing it, mixing. I can't really show you, so I'm just gonna spill. What is bro doing? Yeah, I'm singing. I love it. I think we need more Nutella. No, of course not. That one is good. It needs more Nutella. How's it going? Jesus! Why'd you taste it? I'm gonna crack it.
not click it. I could do it. I could do the mixing. I need to mix. Like this.
Okay, mix it. And two tablespoons of flour. I'll get another spoon. Mix good until I'm done. Keep mixing. Don't show them yet.
Okay.
2 tablespoons of flour.
Sorry, just that's kind of hard
Black
to
sugar.
mix it. That's how the stuff is.
This flour and ghee. Okay. Keep mixing.
Sorry. Oh my, it's working.
Keep mixing.
Move. Let me go one more. Oh my, it's not turning good. Oh, baby, that's all I need. Baby, that's all I need. Last one. That was it. Sorry, guys. Okay, that will be mixing. Mix good. I forgot how it's supposed to look. Like go up and down.
Oh God.
Wash your hands.
After something. Wash it. So we go. We keep mixing, I guess. Now actually go wash your hands.
Wait.
Go wash them, Nails. Go wash them.
Okay.
Keep on mixing.
Let me just get this cup clean. Let me clean the sides so it looks better. What have you done to this?
Hey, just poor baby.
What do you mean?
Okay, keep mixing.
Back to mixer. And we gotta microwave it. Now I'll show them now.
This
Guys?
is how it should be looking.
Like a chocolatey mix.
Smells good.
Still have some flour. Just make it absorb that.
Smells really good. Like
That smells like a hee-hee. I don't know what I'm even saying. I think it needs to be bigger. It needs more Nutella. No, it doesn't have to be that big.
okay, just eat it.
Okay.
Now we need to microwave it for 1 minute and 30 seconds. You should be able to see me microwaving. Let me get something to help. Okay, little makes it down here. It doesn't fall.
I'm back.
1 minute and no. I'll do this for now. Wait, no.
Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please.
No, stop.
Please.
1 minute.
Don't tell my brother I said it.
Why is it doing 1:34? No, I'll just stop it. Wait, no, 1 minute. Yeah, I'll just, and then I'll do 30 seconds.
Okay, guys. So I was cooking. Please like and subscribe. And I'm a Minecraft creeper. Okay.
But past that, rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Tell me in the comments I beat you. And if you like, no one will find you. No one will. Okay, you can see it's cooking right there.
Yeah, it's still puffing up. Hopefully, it doesn't explode. If it explodes, 30 seconds left, and if it isn't cooked, we'll do another 30 seconds. You can guys see our backyard. Our backyard's pretty beautiful. My mom's plants in my garden. Yeah, hummingbirds come, and deer. And raccoons come sometimes. They're cute. We also have these birds. Wait, just do it for 10 seconds. We also have these cute birds. Birds, first time being on the movie. I think one of them is named Gabe. Of course you know who named him that. But besides the 10 seconds.
Okay, 10 seconds. I hope it's not hot.
Yeah! What else do you think it was gonna be cold?
Oh, I need gloves or something.
It's like 5 more seconds.
No. 5 seconds. I think another 5 seconds.
Gabe.
Okay. Now you're with me. No one will say anything. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay.
Wait, we need to get the fork and test.
We need to. Hurry! I know how mom's.
No, Leo. No, Leo, we're gonna use the fork.
Okay, poke it.
This is how it looks like.
Okay. My thumb's gonna spin.
Let me check. Looks really good. Now we will get our. Okay. We will be tasting it right now. Look, come here. Oh. Oh. That's so good, but bye guys. We'll be seeing you in the next video.